Oh, yeah, the doc is in, and I know what's wrong with Rescue Ronda. Hallie, I need my magnifying glass. Let me guess. Hippo hunch?
Oh, yes, sirree. A hippo always knows, Doc. A hippo always knows.
Just what I thought. I have a diagnosis. Rhonda, you have stuck propatosis.
Stuck proper what-is?
Big buck of boo-boos. Please. You have a little twig, like a splinter, stuck in your propellers. You must have gotten it when you flew into the bushes.
Can you fix it?
I sure can.
Oh, let me see that. Ah! Oh!
Howie, maybe you should hold the magnifying glass for me.
Good idea.
Okay, Rhonda. I'm going to get the splinter out.
Oh, I'm not used to being the one getting help, Doc. Truth is, I'm a little bit scared.
Just hold still.
I promise, Doc is the best splinter puller I know.
Okay, Doc. I'm ready to hold still. I know you're just trying to fix me.
Got it! Does that feel better, Rescue Rhonda?
Affirmative! Let's give these rotors a spin. We have liftoff!
Rhonda!
All right.
Oh, yeah. Your Duck McStuffins here's another toy. Go,
Doc. All right.
Help! Oh, my! Whoa!
You can leave this rescue to me.
Great rescue, Rhonda!
Thanks, Doc. And thanks for rescuing me. I feel better, so much better. Thank you, Doc, for taking all the ouches away. Didn't feel so good till you fixed me like I knew that you would. And I feel better, so much better now.
Can I get down now?